When Svetlana is not hacking, she likes to relax with a good book. It maybe looks like dictionary to you, but to me it's book of passwords.
So you're trying to come up with a password and you have an idea. You'll use Pelican. Nobody knows how much you love pelicans, not even your own mother. So no one will ever guess that password. Hackers have programs that run through every common word in the dictionary in trying to crack your password, and they can run through all of them in a matter of minutes. So what do? One way to make your password safer is to put two words together. If it takes a hacker 2 hours to run through the 25,000 most common words in the dictionary, it would take the same hacker more than 5 years to run through all the two-word combinations of the same words. You can make your password even safer by inserting a special character or a number somewhere in the password. So don't use a single dictionary word as your password. Maybe your mom can't guess it, but a hacker certainly can.
I have a great idea. Everybody change password to Svetlana. Who gonna guess that?